Hi, my name is Wagner. I'm front-end developer, and this is my second video of four that I'm showing all the steps that come through to create a new instance in EC2 in AWS and make a clone from my portfolio repository in GitHub and configure the DNS domain in router 53, install Nginx and make everything needed to work as a complete website. Okay, the links of the videos in YouTube is in the description, and I hope you enjoy and follow for keep up to date for the next videos. Okay, let's go. Bye. When I were creating this server, we had to choose which operational system we would like to have in our server. Let's make a new one just to make this step. Okay, so here we have Ubuntu, Windows, Red Hat, and I choose Amazon Linux. So this Amazon, it comes with Fedora distribution. So the commands that we have to use is for Fedora. Okay, let's cancel this and then let's see in our connection. If we need to install any program, we have to use the yum command. At the moment, the first program that we are going to install is Node. So let's use sudo yum install node.js. Okay, as you can see, I have already installed here. Next program is going to be the git. So sudo yum install git all. Same thing I have already. Now I have to configure the git. So we have to give the name and the email that the user are going to identify the user. So let's give git config global user.name for the name. I can give here the Wagner Tayatella, and the email is going to be email and the Tayatella. I've already created my config, so let's just check. So let's config. Okay, list. So here, as you can see, I have run my name, Wagner Tayatella, and the email, wtayatella@gmail.com. The next step that we have to do is to make the connection with GitHub. For that, we have to create a private key, and let's give the command sudo SSH kgen. The type is going to be ed25519, and the comment is going to be, for example, EC2 AWS and my email, gmail.com. Okay. It's asking which file to create, and here is saying that already exists. Okay, I'm not going to overwrite it, and we can check that in the folder, our root folder, and then in the folder .ssh. Okay, here we have the file ID ed25519 pub, and here we have the public key. So we have to copy this content and go to GitHub, make the connection. And so let's go to GitHub, where we can we go to the settings, and here in settings, we go to SSH, and here we create a new key. So we can just create a new key, give a name, and make it copy all the content that is inside of the pub file. Okay, I'm not going to create that. Back in the mobile Xterm, we can check if the configuration is correct. So we can give the command git, SSH test, and give the address git dot github.com. Okay, now I have here the communication successfully. That's cool. The next step that we have to do is to make the clone of the website from our repository, from my repository in GitHub. So let's go to the folder, the first thing. So cd or www. Okay, here I'm going to delete this folder to make a new clone. So let's give the remove command or f. Now we don't have more this folder. And let's go to the GitHub first. And here in this the repository of my portfolio, let's copy the address for the SSH. And let's go back for the console and give the command git clone and copy the address. Okay, here, let's see. Yes, portfolio ifn nxt. So we have to change that for wtitella. That is what we are going to configure in Nginx for the next steps. So we have to give the move portfolio to wtitella portfolio. Okay, it's already changed it. Let's go inside the folder. Okay, all the files are here. So we have to install. Next step, npm install. Okay, it took some time to make the installation, and now we are going to build it. Npm run build. Now that we have the project already built, the next step is to test it and see how it's going to work. Make the configurations in DNS domain and the last configurations in the server to keep it working all the time. I hope that you have enjoyed until now, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.